Okay, so now we're going to watch the slides on page 7. By definition, an angle bisector divides an angle into two equal angles. But does it have any additional properties or characteristics? We're going to investigate this question as we use their patty paper construction of the angle bisector that they made on page 6. So the first thing that they're doing is they're marking some points along the angle bisector. So you see point B, C, D, and point X. Now what they want to do is they want to measure the distance from point B to each side of the angle. So what they're going to do is they're going to draw a line segment, and they use some patty paper so that it creates a right angle because they want a perpendicular line. And I want you to note that this perpendicular distance that they just drew is also the shortest distance from the point to the angle side. So that's why they want to create that right angle, because it's the shortest distance from that point to the angle side. And now they just did the same thing on the other side by connecting point B to point F. Now, I'm going to replay this animation, and I want you to notice the measurements when they use the ruler. First, they're going to measure side, segment BF. Okay, and I'm going to pause it. What do you notice? That the measurement, we'll just say that these are inches, so it will be roughly about 1.5 inches. And then they're going to measure side BE, or segment BE. And what do you notice? It's that same exact distance. Okay, we're going to watch along on the next page as they measure those same perpendicular distances. And I'm going to replay it again. Looks like about 2 inches. Same distance. Roughly about 3 inches. Same distance. So, what do the measurements tell you about the distance from each point on the angle bisector to the sides of the angle?